Alright, welcome to the new video here. Just ended the video a couple hours ago. But yeah, it's 2.5 degrees. Well, it was 3 degrees at one point, but yeah, that was when it was light. The goal, really, I want this to clear the fuck up because, well, it needs to clear the fuck up if we want to get some good snow potential tomorrow. And some good below freezing temperatures tonight. Well, some good freezing temperatures tonight to precede a good snow potential tomorrow. So, yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys outside in just a bit here. Yeah. It's melting at a steady rate. It's not been sunny today, so it's kind of been just like this has been a steady melt. It's not been anything. It's not been profusive melt, but it's not been a slow melt. It's like it's a decent melt. I should really search up. I did some random searching on like snow stuff, and there is actually a way to determine the snow melt rate. So I might check that out, see how that is comparing it to the air temperature. Obviously, that's not taking into account all the solar radiation that it's absorbing. It gives a rough estimate. It's not an ideal way of thinking of checking it, but it gives a rough sketch, rough idea. Yeah. I mean, this is a good sign right near here. The only thing I didn't check is how much more it snowed last night. Maybe I missed. So I may have missed stuff, but yeah. Yeah. It's pretty disgusting. Like, it is dead ass disgusting as fuck right now. Jeez. If it gets below freezing tonight, this is gonna be the iciest fucking shit ever. In the morning. My lord. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it's still about a good couple. Still looks like it's good. Just over an inch on the ground, 1.5 inches. Yeah. We'll see how much we stand at the end of the day, but obviously I won't show that. But yeah. Lovely stuff. It'll be interesting to see where we stand later on in February. Right now we've managed to make it. We are actually above 60 centimeters of snow now. We're within just under 30 centimeters from the average. The average is 89. Last year we got roughly 90. I revised it from 89.5. So we still got a lot of ways. Still got ways to go, but we got still a few days left of January, a whole February, and some of March left. March can do some things as well. It may not be big snowfalls, but it may do some help, especially if February can sneak in a couple 10 centimeter days, which is, I would say it's not out of the question, but it's too far out to say. Too far to say. It's a low confidence thing. But it's not a zero confidence. It's a low confidence. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today, probably with the 4 o'clock update. Yo! Holy shit. It is fucking sunny. Look how the clouds are clearing. Oh, holy shit. Temperature's still 2.5 degrees. But I'll probably rise quite a bit here, because I'm pretty sure it was up. Well, whatever the sun's hitting, this is going to melt profusively now. I was hoping it'd clear up a little bit later on than this. Jesus fucking Christ. Well, we'll see how much snow can survive this shit. First time being sunny in forever. Jesus Christ. Well, we'll see how the snow can survive. I might head back out here later this evening, whenever the temperatures get below freezing, or near to below freezing. So, well, below 0.5 degree. Let's go with that. At or below 0.5 degree. I'll leave you guys with that. Nice sunny conditions. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Probably with temperature updates, 4 o'clock update, and then maybe outside updates as well. Well, throughout the day today, those will be the 3 things. Temperature updates, 4 o'clock update, outside updates, maybe. Multiple. Here's the 4 o'clock forecast here. It is nice and clear outside right now, so we get some nice below freezing temperatures tonight. And going to tomorrow here, we got 40% chance of flurries in the afternoon. Saturday night, we got a 6% chance of flurries in the evening and after midnight, with periods of snow beginning overnight. And that starts the snowy trend. Sunday, we got periods of snow or rain, and then really everything else is the same. Yeah. Well, that was in the last video. I guess I'll just go through it again. Periods of snow Sunday. Snow Sunday night with a low of 1 still. 1 plus 1. Periods of snow Monday. 40% chance of flurries Monday night. 40% chance of flurries or rain showers Tuesday. And then after that, there's a 6% chance of flurries Wednesday and Wednesday night, I believe. Or it's Wednesday night and Thursday. Yeah. We'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys probably later on today. Yeah. This is where we stand. It's a lot colder than it was expected to be. Well, I think so. Or it is as cold as it was expected to be. I don't... One way or another, it's as solid. It's solid -4. Without saying rain. I don't know anymore. I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys in the morning. Later, well, yeah, in the morning. Sorry. This is the forecast. It's pretty fucking shit. From environment can anyways, the way I know it brings a little light onto it. Today we got 40% chance of flurries this afternoon, with a nice high of +1. And then today we got a 6% chance of, tonight we got a 6% chance of flurries this evening after midnight, with periods of snow beginning overnight. And then tomorrow, Sunday, we got periods of snow changing to rain near noon, with snow levels rising to 1,200 meters near noon. 2 centimeters of snow there, and southerly winds gusting up to 40 beginning in the afternoon. Sunday night we got periods of rain. Monday, high of 6 degrees and fucking showers. Monday night, 1 degree and rain. Tuesday, a high of fucking 4 degrees and dry there, and then Tuesday night, a 30% chance of flurries. Wednesday, 30% chance of flurries there as well. And then Thursday, we got 6% chance of flurries all day. In other words, it's gonna be a trash fucking next 7 days from I'm in Canada. But the weather shed some light on this very disappointing forecast. Theirs is just as bad at the start, but as you can see here, this is Environment Canada's period here, so they almost essentially follow what Environment Canada is saying. Almost, except for those lows. Yeah. As you can see here, it's messy, just mainly rainy. As you can see for the 31st and the February 1st. And then quite the mixture for the 4th. But then you see that with the 6th, some pretty solid snow there. And then, yeah. After all that messy crap, we see that cool down for Friday. Begin Thursday, Friday. And then this. This is just a glitch thing they have. That's just their... I don't know what I could call it. Like, it's... glitch or something, I don't know. But ignoring the 13th, that's what we're looking up to now with the weather forecast. Yeah. And let me tell you this much. Let me tell you this, I don't give a flying fuck how cold it gets, really. As long as we get enough fucking snow. It's when I see rain that it pisses me off. And above freezing temperatures, but not as strongly. Depending on how high they are. 6 degrees definitely will piss me off. But to me, all I give a shit about is getting this fucking snow totals for the season up to a respectable amount. Right now it's like depressing 60 centimeters. It's fucking a joke. Whatever. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys with actually what the temperature is right now in just a little bit. This is where we stand with the temperature. Actually last night, right before I went to bed, I checked the temperature. Got down to minus 0.48, minus 4.8. So it was actually pretty close to minus 5 last night. I can assume it was like that the whole entire night. But this is where we stand with the temperature right now. It's a little bit more respectable for 10:20. But it's going to get above freezing probably in the next update on here. Whenever that'll be. Probably within the next 5-10 minutes. Yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys later on today. Yep, rising steadily. It's only about an hour and a half later. Probably get up to about like between 3.0 and 4.0 today. That's very easily going to be achieved. Goal is that once again, like yesterday, clears up for the nighttime hours. So we'll see how things go. So then that'll secure us some snow potential. At least for the morning hours anyways. I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys later on today. It's not gonna stick for a long ass while, but it's snowing. It's fairly wet stuff. Here it's melting pretty, and it's melting steadily. Well, good to know it's snowy. It's gonna snow even if it's above freezing. Some of the shit's still frozen, despite the temperature. It's not been melting that fast today, realistically. Well, we got snow. It's a good start. A lot of hope for tonight then. 'Cause these thermals are supposed to hang around in the 850 millibar, which is like, that's kind of like the key range where you want to key range to determine whether it's going to rain or snow. One of the key ranges anyways. And that's currently at -3, -4 right now. And it's not really supposed to warm too much more through the day. It's supposed to be kind of like consistent, if not cool down a little bit more even later on tonight. So we should essentially see snow no matter what all day. Or however long, well, snow as a precip type all day. It's a fairly light snow though. It'll go down to 0 centimeters for the moment. Well, if this is what it's going to be like today, I wonder what it's going to be like tomorrow. It's going to be all dependent on those winds. And how cold we get tonight. If we get below freezing tonight, I don't know how we're going to hit 4 degrees in cloudy conditions. Unless it's a good breeze. Out of the south. Close the gate. Yeah. Well, we've had quite a bit of snow days this winter, or at least since October. It's just been very lackluster in the amount of accumulation it's turned into. Literally, peak depth snow depth of the season has been fucking 15 centimeters. And that was before Christmas. That was measured before Christmas. No, just after Christmas, sorry. Well, just before, well, around Christmas time. Let's go with that. I'm not going to stick out here too much longer. It's just a light snowfall, so I don't want to spend too much time out here and then it picks up like in 30 minutes. So, yeah, I don't want to save some footage for later on throughout the week, throughout next week, rest of the weekend. See what ends up happening. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys probably a little bit later on this afternoon, depending on if it's still snowing or not. Probably be a temperature update, if not an outside update, or both. We'll see. Either a temperature update, snow update, or outside update, sorry, or both. That's the plan this afternoon. Leave you guys with that. See you guys then. This is the radar here. I'm seeing here there's some lighter snow pushing through. Yeah. Nothing special. And some casual snow. We beeping outside just a little bit and a little bit here as well. Temperature is down to exactly 1 degree, so snow is doing a little number on the temperature as well as the cloud cover, so it's a good sign. See if that trend continues, or if it stays steady and increases slightly as the snow snow's coming to a close. Yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys outside in just a bit here. This is the shitty forecast. I'm changing this up quite significantly here. I'm obviously going to go through this here. So I'm changing this up to my opinion because this is a joke of a forecast. So tonight we got periods of snow mixed with light snow, changing to light snow overnight. Change that to periods of light snow, change it to periods of snow overnight. Or just keep it as periods of light snow and then snowfall amount 2 centimeters. I say that because it's snowing right now. There's no fucking rain. The idiot. Because thanks to the airport. And then you got Sunday here. Periods of snow, okay. Change it to periods of rain near noon. Yeah, periods of rain mixed with snow near noon. And then snowfall amount 2 to 4 centimeters. Those winds are fair. Winds becoming southeast 20 gusts into 40 in the afternoon. And then Sunday night, periods of rain mixed with wet snow. And then look-wise 2 centimeters there. And then Monday's fair, periods of rain. Monday night should be periods of rain or snow. And everything else is fine. I say that because this, especially for tonight and tomorrow, that's absolute bullshit periods of rain. I'll show you guys outside in a bit. But here's that, and then radar. There you guys go. I'll see you guys later on outside, because it is snowing. Actually, before I show you guys a little bit of snow we're getting right now, this is the air temperature right now. It's right at 0, right at freezing. Surprised we only got, I was expecting to get up to 3.0 to 4.0 easily, between that range easily. I'm surprised it didn't. Yeah, I'm actually grateful for that. I'll leave you guys with that. We'll see you guys outside in just a bit here. I yet to see any accumulation. Yeah. Hopefully we'll start seeing accumulation develop within the next hour or two. At least on some harder surfaces other than, well, just on the grass at least. Grass is not even getting in yet. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys some point later on this evening. Yeah. Well, here's the forecast. And let's just say, well, I'm more so just watching the temperature rather than the rain. There is no rain right now. It says periods of snow. Well, it's not doing anything right now. It's actually sunny at this point in time. Well, sunny breaks right now, so it's like cloudy with sunny breaks. Yeah. But just going over the forecast here, we got periods of snow changing to periods of rain this afternoon, whatever precip wants to come in. Winds becoming southwest 20 gusts into 40 this afternoon as well. Periods of rain tonight. Snow levels down to about roughly 1,200 meters. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it today. Snow levels rising to 1,000 meters this afternoon. Wind southwest, gusting to 40, becoming light this evening, with its temperature steady near +3 as a low. Jesus. Monday, 6 degrees and periods of rain, with a snow level around 1,300 meters. Surprised it's not higher. And then Monday night showers. Yeah. And then Tuesday, another warm day with a high of 5 degrees and a 6% chance of flurries Tuesday night. That continues into Wednesday with another 6% chance of flurries. With a high of 4, +4, and then Wednesday night, periods of snow. And then beyond that, just cools off, and snow or rain for Thursday. You can see that colder weather start inching its way in finally. Eating its way in finally. Yeah. It'll eventually make it. It's a matter of patience. The weather network here, that's what they have here. Just a bunch of rain tomorrow, and then mixture Tuesday, some flurries for the 3rd, and then some snow for the 4th. A little bit of rain mixed in. And then just kind of like environment Canada, they start picking up on that colder weather on Friday. I mean, a little brief you can see there, but I mean, realistically, that's still around normal. Yeah. And we scroll down further here, you can see cold and some little bit of snowy conditions as well for the 11th onward. But I mean, you can see here 30% chance consistently. Yeah. Overall, we just gotta wait till late next week, and then we can finally start getting our first little bit of Arctic air, maybe. We'll see how that continues to evolve. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll show you guys the temperature, what the temperature is right now, in just a little bit. Well, the sun's behind the clouds now, but this is where we stand, 3.2. Although it's probably going to start dropping since the sun's behind the clouds, but it's probably going to stay steady right near 3 degrees. Between probably this and like 2.6, 2.8. Yeah. Precip looking dull. I was highly expecting like at least scattered widespread precip on going across the interior today, but literally nothing's going. It's strange. Yeah. I was hoping it would have snowed sometime earlier this morning and kept these temperatures at bay, but so much for that. I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys probably later on this afternoon. Just ended it, and they increased essentially. Now it's 4 degrees, 100%. Love it. Just to think a week or so ago it was fucking below normal, now it's this. And then now we're supposed to get below normal next week, and wonder how long that'll last. It's like, we need a long-lasting cold air event, not this fucking like couple day garbage and then we go back to this. And the drop begins. But it's probably going to be steady around the positive range for the rest of today, including tonight. Yeah, I'll be showing you guys the 4 o'clock update and outside in the front, and that'll probably end the day off. Probably. Yeah. And this is actually all I got to show here in regards to the 4 o'clock update from Environment Canada. So we just got a 70% chance of showers tonight. It's temperature steady near +2. Tomorrow we still got periods of rain with a high of 6 and a 1,300 meter snow level. Tomorrow night we got a snow level at 1,300 meters and latitude 1,000 overnight. And pretty sad stuff there. A low of 3 degrees, +3. And then Tuesday we got a 40% chance of showers there with a high of +5. And then Tuesday night, 6% chance of flurries, as well as Wednesday night still periods of snow, and Thursday still snow or rain. Yeah. Still looking like we'll get some brief periods of Arctic air throughout February, so I say brief because it's not going to be continuous, one long round of it. It's just going to be little short bursts of it here and there, and then it's gonna be a deep melt. It's like deep freeze, deep melt, deep freeze, deep melt kind of idea. So it's like get some Arctic air, then it warms back up. Some Arctic air, then it warms back up. It's not gonna really be anything consistent nor notable, too notable, but whatever. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll show you guys outside in just a bit here. Well, yeah, means 1 degree. It's still about reasonable for snow. The upper levels though aren't really supportive of that. They're kind of like around freezing to, well, kind of around freezing to just above, just below it. So realistically, it's just gonna be a really cold rain tomorrow if it does rain. So I mean, after yesterday, I don't know. I mean, it'll be interesting if this another rainfall bust happens. Please, the Lord. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys in the morning. Here's the forecast here. So let's start. It's a pretty garbage forecast of that. Showers today, all of today. See here. Snow level at 1,200 meters today, and then tonight snow level at 1,300 meters, only to 800 overnight. The temperature staying near +4 is a low. Jesus. And then tomorrow we got a 40% chance of showers with winds becoming southwest, 20 gusts to 40 in the afternoon. Temperature staying steady near +4. And then we can see a little cool down for Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday night to Wednesday, a little dry break, and then Wednesday night we got periods of snow. And then Thursday, periods of snow or rain. And then Thursday night, 6% chance of showers, more like a 6% chance of flurries, but whatever. I don't even want to show beyond it because it just shows a fucking warm up. A little warm up rather than cool down. It's a fucking bullshit. Then the weather now here. And this is the bit I want to show. Yeah. So this is after the cool down. Well, no, after the warm up happened. Well, no. This is once a slow cool down begins again. Sorry. Once a slow cool down begins again. Yeah. Not too impressive, whatever the hell happens. Yeah. Well, I'll leave you guys with that. I will see you guys with the temperature in just a little bit here. Current temperature, just a little bit. Well, this is where we stand. I'm actually fairly surprised. I'm surprised it's only 3 degrees. I was expecting probably to be like 5 by now. But it's a respectable temperature. It's even colder than what it was yesterday. So it's probably because we got a decent bit of rain now, so kept things cool. But on that note, I'll see you guys outside a little bit later on. Yeah. Yeah. So it looks outside. Man. You would think it's March. Well, at least late February with how things look. More March than anything, really. Yeah. Got a little bit of rain, but that's only starting to spit again, drizzle, I mean. Starting to drizzle a bit again, but nothing really amazing. Yeah. Well, The hope is that February can pull off a little bit of something special with some snow. I mean, I'm not expecting a big snowpack anymore. Highest we got was fucking 15, 16 centimeters. But hoping we can at least obtain more snow this year. This season, another 20 centimeters ideally. Yeah. So I'm a little bit deprived of all the good snow. Of all the good snow. While cold is still definitely expected, despite Environment Canada's shit forecasting for later this week. No, not later this week, next week. Well, early next week, yeah. It's gonna be below normal, but not really like obscenely below normal. It's gonna be casually below normal. So like there's several degrees, kind of like just several degrees below normal, like 3 to 5. Nothing really amazing. Yeah. Well, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. It's disgusting. We need more snow and cold weather. This is depressing. Whoa. Absolutely depressing. Oh, most of the snow's gone now. Just a typical bit of snow left on the closer to the cedars. Oh, hedges, whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there goes that. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today, probably with the 4 o'clock update and temperature updates. Here's the forecast here. Yeah, not much has really changed over the course of the past, though. Over the course since 5 a.m. update. Still showers for tonight, with snow levels 1,300 meters, low to 800. Steady temperature near +3. Bullshit, it's already 2 degrees. Tomorrow, high of 6 degrees. Nice. Lovely. With periods of rain beginning in the afternoon. Snow level is 800 meters. Winds becoming southwest 20, gusting to 40 in the afternoon as well. Tuesday night, we got periods of rain ending in the evening. And then with snow levels at 800 meters, with those southwesterly 20k winds gusting to 40, becoming light in the evening. Well, then we get a nice low of -3, so nice icy conditions for Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday, get a little dry break there, and then Wednesday night, we got periods of snow. And then Thursday, periods of snow and rain, and then Thursday night, 6% chance of showers with a 0 degree low. Yeah, and then from there forward, it dries out. Yeah. Overall, pretty garbage. Alright, well, leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys maybe later on today, if not tomorrow morning. Yeah. Well, as you can sort of tell, it's a little foggy right now. Well, at least it's light fog. But yeah. So yeah, it's a little foggy. I wonder what it would look like in the morning, but yeah. See you guys in the morning. Here's the forecast. It's not really very much. Beyond Friday, it's not too much to show. There's some precip potential, but it's just chances, nothing of high chance or certainty. Anyways, though, we got 40% chance of showers this morning and early this afternoon. Some periods of rain beginning this afternoon. Snow levels will drop from 1,000 meters down to 700 this morning. Tonight we got periods of rain ending this evening, then mainly cloudy with 40% chance of showers or flurries. Snow level 700 meters dropping to valley bottom this evening, and more fog patches developing overnight. Get a break on Wednesday, and then periods of snow or rain Thursday, and periods of rain Thursday night. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, and then after that we get another dry break for Friday. Yeah. Ultimately, not too much to show. I'll show you guys the temperature right now because it actually is pretty warm for the morning. And yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys with the temperature. As you can see, a breeze out of the southeast. Yeah, keeping things warm. Most of the snow's gone now. Jeez. I'll see you guys with the temperature. And this is the temperature. Oh, Lord, to be 3.7 degrees. It's still increasing. Wow. Yeah, this cold weather that'll be coming in early next week could not be coming in anytime sooner. The climate can is still not biting, but it'll have to eventually. Yeah. Leave you guys with that though. I'll see you guys later on today. Well, surprisingly icy. It's actually surprisingly icy for it to be just 5 degrees. Like, look. I don't know why it's so frozen. Like, I mean, this already tells me it's not 5 degrees, like it says at the airport, and 4 or so degrees elsewhere. Whew. Well, the iciness got away quickly. So, whoa, Jesus. Never mind. Look at this. Holy crap. It wasn't even proper below freezing last night. What the hell? Well, from here forward, it's not going to be anything, so I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys later on this afternoon. Well, to top off a crappy day I'm already having. So it's 6.5 bloody degrees. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Well, no colder now. Looks like that's... depends how cloudy it stays today. Yeah. One way or another though, still pretty shit. I'll probably see you guys with the 4 o'clock update, and I'll be ending the video sometime tomorrow. Yeah. Huh. Look at this. I don't know what that is down there. Looks something linear. I'm gonna check the radar real quick. This looks interesting. And webcams as well. Well, quite a look to this. It's nothing special, but this is something out of like fucking March. These little, like, what I would call mini storms. Not the right term for them, but whatever. Right term for this, but whatever. They're just showers, but they have that look of a storm. Drops are fairly decent size too, so I wonder if there's any like sleet or ice pellet like shit mixed in. Or if it's too warm for that. Or anything convective for that matter, like grapple. I don't think it's cold enough. Nah, well, low levels, not the surface low levels, but like 850 millibar. Like that range. It's not cold enough, I don't think. But this is something straight out of like March. So this is how this looks. Snow melting. Weird little. Oh, they're thick drops. They're not necessarily like going to turn to a different precip type. But if this precip intensity keeps kicking up, but but the drops are definitely on the thicker side. How it looks from up here. I'm not gonna go on the deck, but looks like shit's gonna kick up here in a bit. Wonder what it'll do. This looks very white. Usually it's a signal that, well, I mean, it's gray in the front, but we'll see. Obviously, it could be just the lighting, but more often than not, if it's going to be white, if it has that white look to it, something other than rain's going to fall. Might have to camp out up here just to watch and see. So this switches over. It's going to have to be a quick bolt outside. Nothing really happened downtown other than rain, but that's downtown. They always get that's downtown. That's like 50 or so, 50 to 100 meters lower than us. Well, no, 50, yeah. They're at 350, we're about 415. So like just over 50 meters. And plus near the lake as well, urban effect, there's a lot to it. I wonder what it's gonna do. Well, so much for anything special. That's why I call them mini storms. They have the looks of one, but then when they actually hit, they are garbage. So I essentially just call them mini storms because they have the characteristics, the looks of one, but then when they hit, it's absolute trash. Yeah. Well, it looks like I'll be seeing you guys with the 4 o'clock update, because it looks like the rain's going to be coming to a close here shortly. Well, not really any accumulation to account for. Trace of rainfall. Yeah. Sun's knocked out by the clouds. Yeah. Well, that should be it for the more extensive rainfall. Now we hopefully start turning to a more colder trend from here on forward. Well, more so after tomorrow. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll probably see you guys with the 4 o'clock update. Yeah. And this is the forecast ended off here. So, a few showers I think this evening. With snow level near valley bottom. And fog patches developing overnight and then dissipating in the morning tomorrow. A little cooler tomorrow, 2 degrees. Well, Thursday's a little better now. We got periods of snow all day for Thursday. Nice low there, 1 degree, that's acceptable. Warm up again Friday, lovely. And it cools right back down for the weekend. And then onward it stays steady at around 2 degrees. But yeah, pretty trashy stuff, nothing special after Thursday really. For the first 3 to 5 days. And the first 5 or so days after Thursday. So yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I may see you guys later on tonight, if not tomorrow morning. Alrighty, this is the forecast here. Second last clip to end the video off. Alright, Thursday. Showers, periods of snow beginning in the morning, then change to periods of rain mixed with wet snow in the afternoon. A couple centimeters there. And then Thursday night, periods of rain or snow. Friday, warm, pretty fucking warm again, 6 degrees. And then Friday night, periods of snow. And then pretty big cool down there Saturday with periods of snow or rain. Saturday night, pretty cold there, and then as you can see with Sunday, more respectable low highs. -1 there, and 30% chance of flurries for the nighttime hours Sunday. Yeah, a little bit more respectable once after Friday, beginning the weekend. Yeah, they're not really necessarily way below normal, but it's a lot more respectable than 4, 5, 6 degrees. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll show you guys the temperature in just a bit. Yeah, this is where we sit with the temperature and what it was last night. -4, not too shabby. But yeah, I'm actually not getting the video here. I'm actually going to do a little bit more outside, and then I'll end it off there. But that'll be it for the morning and the video. Well, that'll be it for the video once I'm done with the shit for the morning. Stuff outside. Yeah. I'll see you guys outside to end the video off. Jesus. Looks like we got freezing rain. It's just... everything's fucking frozen. It rained yesterday. Holy crap. Roads. Much better. Oh. Whoa. Oh, oh. Oh, that was scary. It's literally black ice. You can barely see where any ice is. In some spots you can clearly see it. But others where it's so thin. For me at 4, it ain't gonna be much, so I'll leave you guys with that. This is where I end the video, so peace.